what about DGO? So just some technical aspects which I would want to add. I got a query today. What about DGO? So DGO is also is of course it's not equivalent. It's a 2-year course, and we have if you want to make it equivalent to an MD or MS or a DNB, you have to do the secondary DNB, and this is then you will be equivalent to a primary DNB or a primary MD/MS. So you have to give the PDCET exam, which is a MCQ based exam like the NEET PG, but only with questions on OBG. So it's much easier. It's not a difficult exam. It's quite easy to clear, and then you will be eligible for secondary DNB. So it's an extra year, because an MS MD is 3 years and your DGO is 2 years. So to make it equivalent, you have to do a 2-year secondary DNB. So you have a 4-year course plus maybe 6 months of time when you will try to give the exam and get a rank and get a good place. So it adds on maybe a year and a half, but then you become equivalent. So if you're getting DGO and this is what you want to do and you feel you can't take a drop of another year, because taking a drop of another year is almost equivalent to doing secondary DNB, and then that 4 years वहीं का वहीं हो जाता है. So it makes sense to take up a DGO if this is what you want to do. If your branch is clear कि मुझे OBG ही करना है, then DGO is a good option. This is what I feel. Similarly, I'll just add on here eligibility for NEET, SS, and FNB. So if you want to do a super specialty or if you want to give the fellowship entrance test by the FNB, then you have to so you're not eligible if you're DGO. So DGO also have two types. DGO is institute based, and DGO also a degree has recently been started by the national board where they have the 2-year DGO course. So if you've done the DGO, either institute or NB, you're not eligible for NEET SS FNB. So you have to give the PD set, do your secondary DNB, then you become eligible for NEET SS or FNB. So keep this in mind when you're choosing, and that you should be aware that if you want to do a super specialization, then you should follow it up with a secondary DNB to be eligible.